This is how you schedule tasks with HighLevel's Ask AI. So there's two ways to schedule tasks. First, we can just click scheduled underneath the search bar. We can then click new task on this screen, give it a name. We can then give it a description and the prompt. Then we can set the frequency, whether it is daily, every hour, weekdays, weekly, whatever we want it to be. And then we can set the time for this task to happen at, let's say 10 o'clock. And then all you have to do is click create task. And then this will show up here under scheduled tasks. We can also just go to a new chat and tell the chatbot, like telling it to go through our pipelines at a specific time every day and find stalled deals to follow up with. Really, you can make these tasks whatever you want. As long as Ask AI can do it, you can schedule it. And then we can see the confirmation right here. Every day, it's going to go through our pipelines and tell us which leads we need to follow up with. It is literally that easy. And now you can use this inside of HighLevel, directly inside of Ask AI to schedule tasks using the AI system to coordinate with your leads, get more deals closed, and make the most out of your HighLevel account. So go try this out in your sub account, test it, see what it can do. And if you have any questions, you can drop them on this video or refer to the help doc. As always, my name is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next one.